So let's turn this tree into an aspirin. This is a willow tree. It used to be our aspirin, so I'm going to show you how to turn this tree into a usable modern-day herbal aspirin. The easiest way to do this is get the youngest, thinnest twigs that you can, and go ahead and harvest about a handful or more, depending on how much you're looking for. You really only want the ones that are as thin as humanly possible. You want the ones that are at the very end of the stems. Make sure you get the thin ones. Next, we're going to strip the leaves. We don't need the leaves. They don't have what we need. Just make sure you have the twigs. We're getting the younger, thinner shoots because this is where the tree has put all of its energy. These are more bark than they are wood, and this is the best way to harvest the bark without damaging the tree. Once you got your sticks, you're going to go ahead and put them in the sink, rinse them off in the sink, and then pat dry them on a towel. Once they're dried, go ahead and cut them into 4-inch lengths because there's a few different ways we can use this. The first way, and obviously the simple way, is once they're dried, you can just use it like a toothpick and chew on it, like this. This is a way that you'll get the salicin over time. Now, it's not going to be a very fast relief, but it is one way to use it to where you can get your aspirin. Now, once they're dried, you're going to go ahead and store them in an airtight jar and use them as you need them. Now, you only cut these sticks up as you use them. So if you're using it for a tea, you're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of these cut sticks per 8 ounces of hot water. Do not boil your water or you'll burn the compounds out of it. Then you're going to let them steep for 10 to 12 minutes.